on this time, we want to describing about our hometown,
My hometown.
yeah, and the title for this video is my hometown. So in this video, he will answering some questions about his hometown. This video is divided by two parts. And the first part is answering some question around personal question, and the second part is describing about his hometown. Okay, so without further ado, again, let's get started. So, Usama,
Okay.
the first time. So the first question is, do you currently live in a
No,
city?
I am introduction
Oh,
first. Hello everyone, my name is Usama Awais Akone. Today I'm going to talk about my hometown and where I live. I will share some information about my hometown, what I like about it, and my experience of living there. So let's get started. The question.
So the first question is, do you currently live in a city or rural area?
Okay, I currently live in a rural area in Rembang, Central Java. It is a quiet and peaceful place, and it is quite different from living in a big city. There are many green fields and open space around my home, so the environment feels fresh and relaxing. The area is also not too crowded, which makes it a comfortable place to live. I really enjoy living there because I can experience a calm atmosphere and spend time close to nature.
Okay. So now we're gonna go to the second question.
Okay.
Is it, what do you like most about where you live?
Okay, what I like most about where I live is the peaceful atmosphere and the natural environment. I live in Rembang, Central Java, and I think Rembang is an interesting place because it has a mix of nature, culture, and history. One of the things that makes Rembang special is Lasem, which is famous for its traditional, but Lasem Rembang also has beautiful coastal areas. I think so. There are many different places to explore. I also like living there because the people are friendly and the environment is not crowded. For me, living in Rembang feels comfortable because I can enjoy a quiet life while still having interesting place to visit.
Okay, so the next question is, has your hometown changed much since you were a child?
Okay. Not really. My hometown has not changed much since I was a child. The rice fields are still there, the roads still feel familiar, and life in the village is still as simple and peaceful as I remember it. However, some things have changed in a quieter way. Some of the people I used to know when I was a child are no longer here, and sometimes it feels strange to see their house without seeing them around anymore. The mosque near my home has also become much bigger than it used to be. I remember when it was smaller, and now it feels like it has grown along with the village, but in many ways my hometown still feels the same. The rice fields are still green, people still know each other, and the atmosphere is still peaceful. Sometimes when I look around, it feels like I'm looking at a part of my childhood that never really disappeared. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the last question in this part. Is, would you prefer to live in a city or countryside in the future?
In the future, I think I will prefer to live in the city, especially when I become an adult and start working. I like the countryside because it is peaceful, the air feels fresh, and life is not too crowded. It also reminds me of my childhood and gives me a sense of comfort. Okay.
Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna go to the second part of this video. It is describing our hometown. Okay, So the first question on this video is where it is and what it is like.
Okay. My hometown is in Rembang, Central Java, Indonesia. It is a rural area, so it is quiet, peaceful, and not as crowded as a big city. There are many rice fields around my home, and the scenery is mostly green and open. The atmosphere is also very calm, especially in the morning when you can see people starting the daily life activities. The people in my hometown also are generally friendly, and most of them know each other. Life there is quiet, simple, but that is actually what I like about it. I have known this place since I was a child. So many parts of it bring back memories of for me, even though it is just a small village. It feels very special because it is where I grew up.
So, and then the second question is what you can do there.
Okay, what you can do there? There are many simple things you can do in my hometown. You can walk around the village, enjoy the rice fields, or simply sit outside and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. You can also visit the mosque, meet friends, or spend time with your family and neighbors.
So, the third question is what people are like in this place.
Okay, what people are like in that place? Okay. The people in my hometown are generally friendly, keen, and welcoming since it is a small village. Most people know each other, and they usually help one another when someone needs area. You don't really feel you are surrounded by strangers because there is a strong sense of community. I also like how people there are quiet, simple, and easygoing. They don't need many fancy things to enjoy their lives. Sometimes they just sit together, talk about their day, or visit their neighbors. I think this makes the atmosphere feel warm and comforting.
So, the last section is explain what makes it special for you on the
Okay, what makes it special or memorable to me? What makes my hometown special to me is the memories I have there. Since I was a child, I remember the rice fields around my home, the people I used to know, and the simple life in the village. Even though some people I knew when I was younger are no longer there, the memories I have with them are still important to me. Another thing I remember is the mosque near my home. It has become much bigger now compared to when I was a child. Seeing that change sometimes makes me realize how much time has passed. For me, my hometown is special because it reminds me of where I come from. Whenever I go back there, even if many things have changed, I still get that familiar feeling of being at home. So that's a little story about my hometown. It may not be the biggest or most exciting place in the world, but for me it is more than just a village. It is where I grew up, where I made many memories, and where I learned to appreciate the simple things in life. Maybe one day I will live somewhere else, perhaps in a busy city, but I don't think I will ever forget where I came from because sometimes home is not about how beautiful or modern a place is. It is about the memories, the people, and the family. Yes, the feeling you have when you return. And for me, that feeling will always be Rembang. Thank you.
Yes, it was.
Okay, guys, is that all from us. Thank you for your extension. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.